Shalom and welcome to Mitzvah Torah. This year is entitled, is a hothouse considered a house regarding Shemita and Yovel and Truman, Maser? What a fantastic question connected to our Daf Yomi. On Gimel, Amid Aleph, and Sukkah talks about the definition of a house, definition of a sukkah. Definition of a house usually means 4 by 4 amot. That's in terms of mezuzah. In terms of building a house, someone who returns from war because he just built a house. In terms of a makeh, building a fence, well, you need to have a halachic house. What about a sukkah? Do we say a sukkah has to be 4 by 4 amot, about 6 by 6 feet, or has its own definition, it has to be livable even less than that? That's a sukkah discussion. So what about a hothouse? Do we say a hothouse is no longer sadeh, field, and a hothouse therefore might be exempt from Truma, Maser, Shemita? An amazing discussion. But the question is, even if you say a house is not defined as a sadeh, and therefore it's exempt from these halachot, it's exempt from Shemitah, even if you would say that, wait a second, do we say that since it has the bottom, it's not connected to the land, so it's not ta'aretz anymore, and it has walls, it has a roof, it's no longer sadeh, it's a bayit. But wait a second, but it has growing conditions in there, it's totally transparent, the sun gets through, and maybe it's not a bayit, and you still would have a problem in Shemitah. But do you say, wait, really the growing conditions there are only because it's true, it's transparent, but you need to have the air in there, you need to have wind, you need to have water, it's not a natural growing condition there, it's just better than a house. It's a fantastic shayla, it's all part of the dynamic discussion regarding a chamamah, a hothouse on Shemitah, and also Truma Maser as well in the other years. But Shemitah now is the topic, it's a fantastic discussion, those are some of the basics involved. Shalom.